Hello, my name is Polly and welcome to Alchemy Bar Taipei. Today's cocktail masterclass is especially designed for Software Circus for its Halloween edition. So the first drink that we're going to make is called gingerman. So what you're going to prepare is a glass filled with ice, a bottle of vodka, some fresh ginger juice, sugar syrup, and ginger ale, and last but not least, an orange, squeezed orange as garnish, maybe a torch. So we are going to put the ingredients inside the drink. It's going to be 45 ml of vodka, $30 ml of orange juice, $10 ml of ginger juice, and 10 ml of sugar syrup. After you add in all of the ingredients, feel free to give it a good stir to make sure everything is balanced. Taste it, and then you top it up with ginger ale. After you finish the drink, put the squeezed orange on top, flame it, to bring out the orange taste. And then there you have it, gingerman. Hello, my name is Polly and welcome to Alchemy Bar Taipei. Today we're going to do a cocktail masterclass for Software Circus for Halloween at home. So what we're going to prepare is an old-fashioned glass filled with ice, a shaker, a bottle of whiskey, a bottle of red wine, some fresh squeezed lemon juice, and some sugar syrup. So firstly, we're going to add the ingredients inside the tin. It's going to be 60 ml of whiskey, 30 ml of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 15 ml of sugar syrup, top it up with ice and shake it. Strain it. Last but not least, float it with a little bit of red wine. And there you have it, your Halloween drink at home, blood sour.